This video, I'm going to teach you how to find tax delinquent properties in Propstream. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to propstream.com and you should be able to see this. Head over and click onto this try it for free in order to sign up for an account. Now, if you already have signed up, you should be able to have an account, and do take note that they have a $99 starter price. So they only have a free trial of 7 days. Proceed to click onto this login option in order to successfully log in. So to find those tax delinquent properties, you can head over to Propstream right there. So tax delinquent properties are actually something that is a property of residential, commercial, or vacant land where the landowner has failed to pay state or local property taxes by the statutory deadline. So you can combine right here the tax lien sales, tax deed sales, and how to find those. So you can find them by going to the county tax assessor or treasurer's office. You can find through public records, real estate investment software like Propstream. So Propstream actually go over and then support this part. You can just input right here the tax delinquent year, choosing here the actual list as well as filters you want, estimated value, as well as assessed land value. It helps you with everything, like you can pull lists from individual counties at a time, and it aggregates property data nationwide. This leaves you less time hunting down leads and more time to close deals and scale your business. It also helps with networking, and you can see the due diligence check for investors. You can start with a title search, either through professional service or PropStream themselves, and understand first the statutory laws on rules before you actually find or buy tax delinquent properties right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.